Now look at how interesting this is. OKLO had the short term and, as we see now, a midterm building. If you remember and you look at how our daily charts look when we're day trading, look at the volume. Massive volume, just like the first money time phase of a day trade, happens in a shorter period of time. The buying is nice, but not as nice as the volume. So it can move off on the buying. It doesn't need to take as much time to build, doesn't need to pull back as much because it's using the volume to acquire as it moves. But then it went into a long consolidation, which we're currently sitting in. And in that consolidation, I can tell you there's been really nice buying, the type of buying that will take it to minimum 30. But it's been sitting in this consolidation now for nearly 2 months. If you took contracts 2 months out with time decay, you would have been out of your position. But if you see that the volume had also dipped off, which means build phase, as we see in day trading, then we know that we have to allow for the build phase to first complete itself before they move it up towards the price target. And if you're looking at that right now, at that chart, look at that volume. It's waning all the way down on daily. If you look at the consolidation, it's forming a flag. And if that volume comes back in, it's most likely going to move off 22 or 24 and move towards 26 and then 30 relatively quickly, the same way it moved from 10 to 22. And if you looked at it even further in a calculated move, if you took 10 to 22, that's $12. Then you can see, interestingly enough, typically when we're doing day trading, we'll see that 22 would cap the high of where the consolidation is going to come, but this didn't do that. This is consolidating between 18 all the way up to 28. So even if you looked at the basic $12 move of 20, that'd be $32. But we've seen that they are consolidating this in a $10 range. So if you're consolidating in a $10 range, are you really looking to make $4 above 28? I'd assume no. I'd assume with the right information and the right volume, this could easily see 35.